All right, so what do we have next?
We're gonna do our party dip recipe
Oh, it's a good one.
because we want to encourage healthy snacking, and you should be snacking between your meals. And I think a lot of times we associate snacking as being a negative thing because of all the processed snack foods out there, chips and cookies and crackers and all of those foods that wouldn't be considered a healthy snack. So I wanted to share with you guys a party dip recipe because it's a nice alternative to nice healthy snack alternative that you can have on maybe a weekend or a special occasion, bring to a party. But we've all seen those. I think so. We've all seen those layered dips, in the grocery store with I don't know. They
Not
just
quite
have
sure what's
multiple
in them.
layers.
Yeah, they're not all that healthy for you.
Right.
So let's share the clean one
Yeah.
for our listeners.
So what we've done is we've taken the 7-layer dip and we've turned it into something a bit healthier. So on the bottom we're going to have baked beans or refried beans. If you're buying them in a can, just make sure you read the ingredients and make sure they're clean ingredients. Then we're going to put some Greek yogurt or some fermented nut yogurt, some cashew yogurt, or some almond yogurt is our favorite. And then we're going to put some guacamole. So homemade is always best. Homemade guacamole is always best. If you are buying guacamole, just make sure, again, you read the ingredients, make sure they're clean. Then we're going to put some salsa on the next layer, and we'll load it up with veggies, tomatoes, green onions, peppers. We'll load up on veggies on the top, and then you could sprinkle a little bit of cheese on the top if you wanted to. Just make sure that it's an organic white cheese. Stay away from orange cheese.
Cheese should not be orange.
Cheese is not meant to be orange.
So that's a nice easy party dip, and we've had all kinds of crazy raving reviews. People bring that to parties and it's gone before they even put it out, and nothing else is touched.
Mm-hmm.
So your family, friends are gonna love that one. So enjoy that one on a special occasion.
Yeah, and it's interesting to see people try because it is a healthier alternative. And I remember when we shared it with my family, one of my family members was like, "Oh, it does taste good." So it's sometimes surprising when healthy food tastes good, I suppose.